Flower. It is modified condensed soup having modified leaves or floral organs involved in reproduction. During flower formation, shoot apical meristem converted into floral meristem, which initially form floral primordia, and floral primordia laterally develops into floral bud. Floral bud finally matures into a flower. In flower, due to highly condensation of internodes, generally nodes and internodes are not distinguished. Flower, that is modified shoot, bears modified leaves at successive nodes, but due to compression of internodes, nodes are not visible. In flower, generally a single internode is noticeable, that is pedicel, stalk of flower. Anthophore, internode present between sepal and petal, for example, Silene. Androphore, internode present between petal and stamen, for example, Passiflora. Gynophore, internode present between stamen and pistil or carpel, for example, Cleome gynandra. Flower. Parts of flower called floral part or floral whorl. There are two major whorls. Accessory whorl, also called non-essential whorl, also called helper whorl. Do not participate directly in reproduction. Calyx, collection of sepals. Corolla, collection of petals. Necessary whorl, essential whorl. Participate directly in reproduction. Androecium, collection of stamens, male reproductive part. Gynoecium, collection of pistil, female reproductive part. Pedicel, stalk of flower. Pedicel present, flower is pedicellate. Pedicel absent, flower is sessile. Thalamus, that is torus. Solemn inverted shoot tip represent a stage of flower over which floral whorls are present. In flower, sepal develops on first node, petal develops on second node, stamen develops on third node, and carpel or pistil develops on fourth node respectively. Isomery of flower. Each flower has distinct number of floral parts. Counting the number of floral parts called isomery. Trimerous flower. Floral parts are 3 in number or in the multiple of 3. For example, monocots like Liliaceae and Poaceae family. Tetramerous flower. Floral parts are 4 in number or in the multiple of 4. For example, dicots. Pentamerous flower. Floral parts are 5 in number or in the multiple of 5. For example, dicots. Flower having all floral parts, all 4 floral parts, called complete flower. Flower lacking one or more floral parts, called incomplete flower. Flower having both reproductive parts, called perfect, intersex, hermaphrodite, or bisexual flower. Flower having either male reproductive organ, that is stamen, or female reproductive organ, that is pistil, called imperfect unisexual flower. Unisexual flower having only male reproductive part, that is stamen. Carpel or pistil is absent, called male or staminate flower. Having only female reproductive part, that is pistil or carpel. Stamen is absent, called female or pistillate flower. Sterile male flower or sterile stamen, called staminode. Monoecious plant. Both male and female reproductive parts present in same plant. Monoecious plants having bisexual flowers. For example, Brassicaceae, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae, Poaceae families, etc. Monoecious plant having unisexual male flowers and unisexual female flowers on same plant. For example, coco, cuckoo, tea, case, may, alvida, boli. Coco for coconut, cuckoo for cucumber, case for cassia, may for maize, alvida for acalypha. Dioecious plant has only unisexual male flowers or unisexual female flowers on one plant. Dioecious plants are of two types: male plant having only unisexual male flowers and female plant having only unisexual female flowers. For example, पापा ने मम्मी को डेट किया. पापा for papaya, mummy for mulberry, co for colocasia, date for date palm. Symmetry of flowers. Actinomorphic symmetry, that is radial symmetry. Flowers can be divided into two equal or similar halves by more than one planes passing through the center. For example, A, B, C, D. A for actinomorphic, B for brassica, that is mustard, C for chili, D for datura. Zygomorphic symmetry, that is bilateral symmetry. Flowers can be divided into two equal or similar halves by single plane only passing through the center. For example, PG college बंद है. P for P, G for Gulmohar, college for cassia, बंद for bean. Asymmetry. Flowers cannot divided into two similar halves through any plane. For example, canna, orchids, cactus. Calyx, symbol capital K. Outermost green colored part of flower provides protection to inner floral parts during bud condition of flower. Unit or single member of calyx called sepal. If sepal is colorful, it is called petaloid sepal. Hairy calyx attached with fruit of sunflower called pappus. Calyx remain attached or present during fruit formation, does not fall down, called persistent calyx. For example, brinjal, tomato. In Musanda, one of the sepal converted into large white colored structure to attract pollinators called advertising flag. Polysepalous. Sepals of a flower are not united, free from each other. For example, China rose. Gamosepalous. Sepals of a flower are united, fused with each other. For example, tomato, potato, brinjal. Epicalyx or hypocalyx. Small green calyx-like structure present below calyx. For example, China rose. Corolla, symbol capital C, represents second inner colorful part of flower. Unit or single member of corolla called petal. Corolla has fragrance or scent. Corolla attracts pollinators. Polypetalous. When petals of a flower are not united, free from each other. Gamopetalous. When petals of a flower are united or fused with each other. If petal is green colored, it is called sepaloid petal. Estivation represents arrangement of sepals or petals with similar parts during bud condition of flower. Valvate, there is no overlapping of margins of petals. Margin of each petal just touch the margin of next petal. For example, Calotropis, mustard. twisted. Margin of one petal overlaps the margin of next successive petal and so on. Margins of each petal show in and out condition. For example, China rose, lady's finger, cotton. Imbricate. Margin of petals overlaps but not in a particular direction. One petal complete out, one petal complete in, others are in and out. For example, cassia, gulmohar. Vexillary estivation. A largest posterior petal called standard or vexillum overlaps two smaller free petals called wings or alae, which in turn overlaps two smallest fused petals called keel or carina, represented by 1 plus 2 within bracket. For example, Fabaceae or Papilionaceae family like pea, bean, etc. Perianth, symbol capital P. It is used when calyx and corolla cannot be distinguished. Unit or member of perianth called tepal. Green colored tepal called sepaloid tepal and colorful tepal called petaloid tepal. If tepals are not united, fused, free from each other, it is called polyphylous or polytepalous. If tepals are united, fused with each other, it is called gamophylous or gamotepalous. Perianth generally found in monocots like Liliaceae, Poaceae families. Androecium, symbol capital A, represent male reproductive organ of flower. Unit or member of Androecium called stamen. Stamen has two parts, fertile part called anther and sterile part called filament. Anther involved in production of pollen grains and male gametes. Filament involved in transport of water and food. Mostly or typically, anther is bilobed tetrasporangiate structure, that is two lobes and four microsporangia. Cohesion of stamens. Fusion of stamens with similar parts. Adelphus. Stamens are fused by their filaments, anthers are free. Monoadelphus. All stamens are united by their filaments into single bundle. For example, China rose, that is hibiscus. Diadelphus. All stamens are united by their filaments into two bundles. For example, pea, bean, Fabaceae family, etc. Polyadelphous. All stamens are united by their filaments into more than two bundles. For example, citrus plants, lemon, orange, etc. Syngenesious or synantherous. Stamens are fused by their anthers. Filaments are free. For example, sunflower. Synandrous. Stamens are fused both by their anthers and filaments. For example, cucurbita. Adhesion of stamens. Fusion of stamens with dissimilar parts. Epipetalous. Stamens are fused or attached with petals. For example, Solanaceae family. Epitepalous or epiphyllous. Stamens are fused or attached with tepals. For example, Liliaceae family. Gynandrous. Stamens are fused with carpels or pistils. For example, Calotropis. Length of stamens. Didynamous. Out of four stamens, two inner stamens are long and two outer stamens are short. For example, Lamiaceae family, Tulsi, that is Ocimum, Salvia. Tetradynamous. Out of six stamens, four inner stamens are long and two outer stamens are short. For example, Brassicaceae, that is crucifery family. Mustard radish, fixation or attachment of anther over filament. Base-fixed anther, anther attached over filament by its base. For example, radish mustard. Adunate anther, here filament passes throughout the anther lobes. For example, ranunculus magnolia. Dorsifixed anther, anther attached over filament by its dorsal or backside. For example, Passiflora sesbania prunus. Versatile anther, anther is very long, attached over filament by its backside and can swing freely. For example, grass. Gynosium, symbol capital G. It is female reproductive organ. Unit called pistil or carpel. Pistil has three parts. Stigma, upper receptive surface of pistil, receives pollen grains after pollination and also provides nourishment. Style, long tubular part that connects stigma with the ovary, provides passage and also guides growing pollen tube. Ovary, swollen basal part of pistil, contains ovule attached to its placenta point. Ovary on maturity converted into fruit, and ovule after fertilization develops into seed. Flower having one carpel, monocarpellary flower. Flower having two carpels, bicarpellary flower. Flower having three carpels, tricarpellary flower. Flower having four carpels, tetracarpellary flower. Flower having five carpels, pentacarpellary flower. Flower having more than five carpels, polycarpellary flower. Apocarpus, flower has two or more carpels and carpels are not fused. Carpels are free. For example, rose lotus. Syncarpus, flower has two or more carpels and carpels are united, fused. For example, mustard, ranunculus, brinjal. Ovary internally has chamber or cavity called locule. Ovary has one locule, monolocular ovary. Ovary has two locules, bilocular ovary. Ovary has three locules, trilocular ovary. Ovary has four locules, tetralocular ovary. Ovary has five locules, pentalocular ovary. Ovary has more than five locules, multilocular ovary. Placentation, soft cushion-like parenchymatous cells present over wall of locule called placenta. Manner of arrangement of ovules on placenta within ovary called placentation. Marginal, placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture and ovules are born in two alternate rows along the ridge. Ovary is unilocular. For example, pea plant. Axial, placenta is present in the axial position and the ovules are attached to it. Ovary generally is trilocular to multilocular. For example, TLC, tomato, lemon, China rose. Placentation, parietal. Ovary is unilocular but becomes two-chambered due to formation of false septum called repulum. Ovules develop on the inner wall of ovary or on the peripheral part. For example, map, mustard, argemone, P for parietal. Free central, ovules are born on central axis and septa are absent in the ovary. Ovary is unilocular. For example, DP, Dianthus primrose. Basal, placenta develops at the base of the ovary and single ovule is attached to the placenta. For example, sunflower, marigold. sterile pistil or carpel called pistillode. With reference to androecium, if all the stamens are free, it is called polyandrous condition. Position of floral parts on thalamus. Hypogynous flower. Ovary occupies highest position and other floral parts are situated below the ovary. Thalamus is dome-shaped or inverted funnel-like. Ovary is superior. For example, mustard, China rose, brinjal, petunia. Perigynous flower. Ovary is situated in the center and other floral parts are located on the rim or periphery of the thalamus. Thalamus is cup-shaped. Other floral parts are present nearly or almost at the same level of ovary. Ovary are said to be half inferior. For example, plum, rose, peach. Epigynous flower. Margin of thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely and getting fused with it. Other floral parts arise above the ovary. Ovary is said to be inferior. For example, guava, cucumber, bitter gourd, ray floret of sunflower.